बिस्मिल्लाह। रेडी है? रेडी, स्टार्ट। On the contrary, astonishingly, the accused party, who allegedly consisted upon a group of 5 persons, including the appellant, did not sustain even a single scratch, which fact is sufficient to believe that they planned the occurrence and attacked upon the complainant party when they were not in a position to respond. Full stop. The matter has since been reconsidered and it has been decided in suppression of the said circulars that job opportunities available to Pakistan nationals in government or private service abroad should be welcomed, and applications of government employees, technical or non-technical, for service in foreign countries. Full stop. Both factions have indicated a reckless disregard for the consequences of political brinkmanship on the future of the people they claim to lead. Full stop. As a result, the cycle of instability triggered last year due to the vote of no confidence has grown progressively worse, and a sense of despair now every aspect of life. Full stop. It is an admitted rule of appreciation of evidence that motive and recovery are only corroborative piece of evidence, and if the ocular account is found to be unreliable, then motive and recovery have no evidentiary value and lost their significance. Full stop. We may observe in the end that a judicial system which permits deliberate falsehood is doomed to fail, and a society which tolerates it is destined to self-destruct. Full stop. Truth is the foundation of justice, and justice is the core and bedrock of a civilized society, and thus any compromise on truth amounts to a compromise on a society's future as a just, fair and civilized society. Full stop. In order to provide opportunity of deputation abroad to experienced employees, applications of only such persons should be referred to the Services Selection Board who have rendered at least 5 years government service. Full stop. This is necessary to enable the outgoing civil servants to pick up sufficient experience and knowledge in the respective field. Full stop. This shows that where cases of alleged that we do not know regarding that actually transpired but do not need proof of guilt to murder. Full stop. As activists have pointed out, if there were strict punishments. Full stop.